Hello everyone, today I am excited to present my complaint management system project built using JSP and servlets. The goal of this system is to digitize and streamline the complaint management process within an organization, making it easier for employees to submit complaints and for administrators to manage them efficiently. If you don't have an account, you need to register by clicking the sign up button and selecting your username, password, email and job role. If you are already logged in, please enter your username and password and sign in. Now let's select the role called employee and log in. This is the complaint dashboard and you can submit a complaint using a new complaint button. If a user is previously logged in, they can only view own complaint and delete and update that complaint. Let's log into account as an admin. From here we can see all the complaints that have been submitted by users. The admin can update the complaint by adding a comment to the complaint submitted by the users. They can also delete it. Also, all employee and admin data is saved in the MySQL database. Then, this is my project structure. The system follows the MVC architecture, where JSP handle the user interface and servlet manage the application logic. JSP files serves as the view while the controllers are implemented using servlets. The model and DTO classes handle the data structures and business logic. Additionally, there is a dedicated DB servlet for database interaction. In summary, this complaint management system simplifies the process of fielding, tracking, and resolving complaints through a user-friendly interface and building using JSP Servlets, MySQL, and Apache Tomcat.